Hello, beauties. If you're someone looking for glow up in a week, you have come to the right place. Welcome to Valora Aesthetics. Today I'm sharing tips to glow up in a week. The topics in video included are face, body, and hair. Before we start, here's a reminder for you to stop comparing yourself with the people on the internet. You're beautiful in your own way. First, we will be working on facial features, starting with face massage. Massaging your face can literally transform you. Repeat each action 3 times every morning. If possible, add this into your morning and night routine. For skincare, keep simple. No 10 steps routine, cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. And for your lips, use coconut oil plus sugar scrub. Apply once a week and apply any lip balm after scrub. Make sure you use lip balm daily. Number 2, your hair. Your hair frames your entire face, so even small changes can make a big difference. Oil your hair 1 to 2 times a week, use a mild shampoo, and don't skip conditioner. Avoid too much heat, and try simple styles that suit your face shape. Healthy hair equals instant glow up. Number 3, your body. You don't need extreme workouts. Just move your body daily. Even 20 to 30 minutes of walking, stretching, or light exercise. It improves posture, boosts confidence, and you'll naturally start looking more put together. Use a mild body wash and body lotion. Apply sunscreen if you go out. Clean nails, fresh breath, neat clothes. These small things make a huge difference. Take regular showers, use a light fragrance, and take care of your overall appearance. You can do everything right, but if you don't feel confident, it shows. Start focusing on what you like about yourself. Confidence is what actually makes you glow. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll see the difference. Do not compare yourself with others.